gonna make you the best kisser in under 1 minute. All you have to do is follow my CST formula, and women will want to not only kiss you again and again, but tell all their friends how amazing of a kisser you are. CST. C stands for close. So this is just a tip for how to initiate the kiss. You gotta be close to them. It makes it easy. So if you wanna know when do I initiate, how do I initiate, just get very close to them, and the distance is very short, so it makes it easier to go for the kiss. S. This stands for slow. This is the most important tip. You can never go too slow with kissing, but you can go too fast. So make sure that you go very slow so it's more sensual. And then T stands for tongue. So this means that you don't want to use too much tongue. Tongue should be about 30% of the time, so it increases the sensuality of the kiss. Be close, go slow, and just a little bit of tongue.
Here's how you can give her the best kiss that she's ever had. All right, this is the #1 tip that anybody can give you on how to kiss well, kiss better than you might be kissing currently. All right, that tip is that kissing does not involve just the lips. Kissing involves the entire body, particularly your hands, right? I couldn't tell you the amount of girls that I've talked to where they say the guy he seemed stiff, didn't really know what to do with his hands, and it felt kind of awkward. What you should do is let your hands roam her body, right? Grab her hips, pull her in close, grab the sides of her head like that, grab the back of her head, grab her hair, pull a little bit. Let your hands roam and involve your entire body and hers in the kiss, and it'll make it a lot more dynamic, a lot more engaging, a lot more fun, and you'll have a better kiss overall. All right, I hope this helped. Share it, follow for more.
3 ways you can smoothly kiss a girl on the first or second date. Number 1, it's all about timing. Either you do it when the date's going to end or when you feel like it's the right time to do it. Number 2, eye contact. So when the date's going to end, make sure you get close to her when you're talking to her. While you are talking to her, give her eye contact and look down at the lips. If she's also looking at your lips while you're doing this, she also wants to kiss you too. Now it's up to you to make your move. Number 3, go in for the kiss, but make sure your lips are soft. So make sure you bring some chapstick and some gum. Also, do not put your tongue down her throat. Just keep it simple for now. Do me a favor and click that plus right there. Simple.
Okay, I'm with my friend Katie, and we both contributed to this one, but we're saying, like, especially when you're first starting kissing someone, you start off soft and gentle, and like your hand could be like resting on her face. Like, I really like that when they're like go like this, or in her hair, on her neck, not choking her yet, not yet. Or ever. If she's not into that, ask first, please. And then also, it's kind of just like a follow her lead thing. If she gives some tongue, you can give some tongue. That's great. Don't just stick your tongue down her throat. She will hate it. Honestly, I'd bite it off. Like, if there's an unwanted tongue in my mouth, like, what the fuck am I gonna do with that, huh? And then also, like, if she starts getting more aggressive, get more aggressive as well, because you do not want to be there. You don't want to be the dead fish. No one wants to kiss a dead fish, and there have been many guys that, like, I'm trying to get more aggressive with it, and they just sit there and keep making out, like, with me softly, and it's so weird. Chapstick. Oh yeah, chapstick. Make sure your breath smells nice. Don't spit in her mouth yet.
Hey guys, so I have been getting a lot of comments about tips for the first times, and you guys want tips about kissing because you just never had a kiss before, or you don't know what to do before kissing. You just want some tips. I remember my first kiss, and I kind of want to do a story time about it. Let me know if you guys want me to tell you, because my experience was just unforgettable. It was unforgettable. Let me give you some tips though. 1, make sure your breath smells good. You better have some mint on you. You better freaking brush your teeth, your tongue. Brush that tongue very, very good. Okay? And smell good. You want to smell good. You want to have a certain scent on your neck. I'm telling you, just have this special perfume on you. Also, ask them, can I kiss you? Don't just go straight forward and kiss them, you know?
How to kiss a girl. Now, I know a lot of y'all know how to kiss a girl. Now, if y'all don't know how to kiss a girl, I'm not going to go ahead and put my lips on the camera. What I'm talking about, though, is basically when you're with a girl that you've been on a date with, how to initiate a kiss. So what you're going to do is simple. You're just going to be talking to her. And when a woman is attracted to you, you're going to find that her pupils, they dilate, which means they open up and they got a bigger circle than they would normally have. So you want to go ahead and just look at her eyes, and then you're going to go ahead and look at her lips and look at her eyes and look at her lips. And you're going to find if she does the same thing, that's a sign that it's time for you to go for the kiss. And what's the worst that could happen, man? She denies it. I mean, she's with you for a damn reason, right? It means she likes you. So just go for it. It won't cost you anything. If anything, it'll just make you look confident.
How to get the first kiss from her in 3 simple steps. So let's not lie, the first time you kiss a girl, it could be super awkward, especially if you don't know what you're doing. We're gonna flip that on its head because we're gonna get her to kiss us. Here's how. So the first sneaky but playful way to get the first kiss is to steal it. Hey Jessica, let me get a kiss right here. Second way is to play a game, but set conditions. Alright Jessica, let's play rock, paper, scissors. But if I win, you owe me a kiss. If I lose, I gotta get you candy. Third way is to play the stare game. That game, you want to do 3 rounds where you stare at each other, but the first person who breaks eye contact loses. After the second round, there's gonna be so much tension that she's gonna want to kiss you so bad. Now, if you want to know the signs that she wants to kiss you, make sure you follow so you find out.